Ventura County today, State Route 126, about 1.5 miles east of Piru. On March 2nd, Caltrans was called out. We had to close the right lane of the eastbound side, and with us is Larry Weaverling, Caltrans Maintenance Area Superintendent, who's helped us out many times in the past. Larry, can you tell us, first of all, what was the issue? Why were we called out?
The rancher across the street, they called us. They noticed a big sinkhole on the shoulder of the road. The supervisor for the Fillmore yard came out, saw the sinkhole, did a little investigation, noticed it had undermined the number 2 lane and the paved shoulder on the eastbound side, called our region engineer to come and take a look at it. It was determined that it appeared an old drainage pipe had separated or had rotted out under the roadway and caused the sinkhole and washed away all the material on the shoulder and a good portion of the material under the lane. So the contractor had a camera crew come out, culvert inspection crew came out, they made access to the pipe, found out the pipe was rotted out on the bottom, unrepairable.
So, Larry, can you explain the drilling process, boring under the road to us?
They dug a hole here, put trench boring walls in here to protect the workers. Right. The contractor set a grade to go under the roadway, about 1.25%. They use a steel sleeve that goes under the roadway that has an auger bit inside of it. The auger drills a hole slightly smaller than the sleeve and then pushes the sleeve in section by section. Those sections are about 20 to 25 feet long. Once it got to the point of almost being under the roadway, they added another piece on there, and it kept going like that until they made access all the way across the road. Right. It's bonded together. It's very similar to PVC, except it is bonded together, melted together. That way there's no joints or anything like that to fail. When they're finished with that, they pull out the auger piece by piece. The steel sleeve stays in the roadway, underneath the roadway, and now they put this new heavy-duty plastic, almost a really heavy-duty PVC pipe under the roadway. The goal of the contractor is not to disturb the new asphalt that was placed here within the last few months, to do everything off the roadway and then just backfill the big sinkhole on the other side, and this hole over here will be backfilled with dirt. The other option would have been to tear up the road, which would have been much bigger impact to the traffic.
Right. This type of work where we have to replace a drain, is this the kind of work that may be covered by SB1 or done with an SB1 project as well?
Yeah, so SB1 is for new projects for infrastructure repair, bridges, culverts, that kind of project will be covered under SB1. This was not, like you mentioned, it was an emergency project that we had to get the road safe and back open for traffic. But this is something that the culvert inspection teams are looking for issues such as this, so it can be repaired get it repaired before something bad happens.
Thank you, Larry, as always, for helping explain the Caltrans role in one of these type of projects. This is Mark Bischoff, Caltrans D7 News.